Rose is an uplifting aphrodisiac and is wonderful for meditation. This oil is very common in perfumery and it works great as an emollient and is perfect for skin preparation. Rose oil is particularly beneficial for mature, dry, or sensitive skin. As a tonic, it has a soothing quality for inflammation and constricting action on capillaries. Rose oil is used in the treatment for depression, grief, anger, and other unpleasant emotions. It supports the cardiovascular and digestive systems and is considered one of the most incredible remedies for female problems such as balancing hormones during menopause. The therapeutic properties of rose are antidepressant, antiphlogistic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, antiviral, aphrodisiac, astringent, bactericidal, choleretic, cicatrisant, depurative, immunagogue, hemostatic, hepatic, laxative, nervous system, sedative, stomachic, and tonic for the heart, liver, stomach, and uterus. Avoid use during the first trimester of pregnancy. Rose oil is a base note.